The ocean depths are a realm of mystery, a place where sunlight barely penetrates and the pressure is immense. Home to creatures stranger than any fiction, these depths harbor life forms that seem to come from another world. In February 2025, this alien world brushed against our own off the coast of Tenerife, Spain. Researchers from the NGO Condric were on a routine shark research campaign when they encountered an unexpected visitor from the abyss. The team was well prepared for the usual suspects of the deep, but nothing could have prepared them for what they were about to witness. Underwater photographer David Jara Baguna captured footage of a humpback anglerfish, a creature rarely seen alive by human eyes, swimming feebly near the surface. This was a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to observe such a rare specimen in its natural, albeit unusual state. The anglerfish, easily recognizable by its jet-black body, gaping maw filled with razor-sharp teeth, and bioluminescent lure dangling from its forehead, is a master of the deep-sea environment. Its bioluminescent lure is used to attract prey in the pitch-black darkness of its natural habitat. However, in the sunlit waters near the surface, it was clearly out of its element, struggling to adapt to the sudden change in environment. This deep-sea denizen, usually found at depths of 200 to 2,000 meters, appeared disoriented and weak in the unfamiliar sunlit waters. The stark contrast between its usual dark, high-pressure environment and the bright, low-pressure surface was too much for it to handle. The encounter left researchers with a perplexing question: what brought this deep-sea dweller to the surface? Was it a sign of distress, a change in oceanic conditions, or something else entirely? This peculiar event was not an isolated incident. Similar sightings have been reported in various parts of the world, suggesting a possible pattern. In recent years, there have been increasing reports of deep-sea creatures appearing in shallower waters, sparking curiosity and concern among scientists and the public alike. These occurrences have led to numerous theories and speculations about the changing conditions of our oceans. These sightings offer a glimpse into the hidden world of the deep sea and raise important questions about the health of our oceans. Are these creatures being forced out of their natural habitats due to environmental changes, or are they simply exploring new territories? The Tenerife anglerfish, sadly, did not survive long after its encounter with the researchers. Its death was a somber reminder of the fragility of deep-sea life when exposed to conditions outside its natural habitat. It was taken to the Museum of Nature and Archaeology in Santa Cruz de Tenerife, where scientists hope to learn more about this enigmatic species and the circumstances that led to its demise. Through their research, they aim to uncover the mysteries of the deep sea and contribute to the conservation of these extraordinary creatures. The humpback anglerfish, scientifically known as, is a testament to the incredible biodiversity found in the deep ocean. Its grotesque appearance, far from being a mere quirk of nature, is a suite of adaptations perfectly honed for survival in one of the harshest environments on Earth. Living at depths where sunlight never penetrates, the anglerfish relies on bioluminescence, a chemical reaction within its lure that produces light, to attract prey. The lure, dangling like a fishing rod above its head, acts as an irresistible beacon to smaller fish and invertebrates, drawing them towards their doom. Its large, expandable stomach allows it to swallow prey twice its size, a crucial adaptation in an environment where meals are scarce. And those teeth, razor-sharp and angled inwards, they ensure that what goes down never comes back up. To understand the plight of the Tenerife anglerfish, we must venture into the abyssal zone, its natural habitat. This realm, plunged in perpetual darkness and subjected to crushing pressure, is a world apart from the sunlit surface waters we are familiar with. Here, temperatures hover just above freezing, and food is scarce. The lack of sunlight means there's no photosynthesis, so life in the abyss relies on a delicate food web fueled by marine snow organic matter that drifts down from the surface. The creatures that inhabit this extreme environment have evolved unique adaptations to survive. Many, like the anglerfish, use bioluminescence not just for hunting but also for communication and camouflage. Others have developed pressure-resistant bodies, slow metabolisms, and heightened senses to navigate the darkness. The Tenerife anglerfish's appearance near the surface, while captivating, raises a red flag for scientists. This deep-sea dweller is rarely seen outside its natural habitat, making its presence in shallower waters a cause for concern. Deep-sea creatures are rarely seen in shallow waters, and their presence often signals a problem. These creatures are adapted to the high-pressure, low-light conditions of the deep ocean, and their sudden appearance near the surface can indicate significant environmental changes. Several theories have been proposed to explain the anglerfish's unusual behavior, each hinting at possible disruptions in the deep-sea environment. Scientists are meticulously analyzing data to understand the root cause of this anomaly. One possibility is that the anglerfish was ill or injured. An injury or illness could have forced it to leave its usual habitat in search of more favorable conditions or food sources. Its weakened state, as observed by the researchers, could have impaired its ability to navigate or maintain its usual depth. This vulnerability might have led it to drift into shallower waters. Another theory suggests disorientation caused by unusual currents or other environmental factors. Changes in water currents can confuse deep-sea creatures, leading them to stray from their typical paths. The deep sea, while seemingly static, is not immune to disturbances. It is a dynamic environment where even minor changes can have significant impacts. Underwater earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and even changes in water temperature can disrupt deep-sea currents, potentially displacing creatures from their usual habitats. These events can create chaos in the deep-sea ecosystem. Predation is another factor to consider. The deep sea is home to many predators, and the anglerfish is not exempt from this threat. The anglerfish, despite its fearsome appearance, is prey to larger deep-sea predators like sharks and some species of squid. These predators can drive the anglerfish to seek refuge in unfamiliar territories. It's possible that the Tenerife anglerfish, fleeing from a predator, accidentally ventured too close to the surface in its desperation to escape. This flight response, while a survival instinct, can sometimes lead to dangerous and unfamiliar environments. While the Tenerife anglerfish's appearance sparked a flurry of speculation, the truth, like much of the deep sea, remains elusive. The ocean depths are vast and largely unexplored, and our understanding of the creatures that inhabit them is still in its infancy. The rarity of such sightings makes it challenging to draw definitive conclusions. Each event provides valuable data points, but more research is needed to understand the complex interplay of factors that might be driving deep-sea creatures towards the surface. Is this a recent phenomenon, or have these events always occurred, unnoticed by human eyes? Are they becoming more frequent? These are just some of the questions that continue to intrigue and challenge marine scientists. Adding another layer of complexity to the puzzle is climate change, which is an ever-evolving and multifaceted issue that affects every corner of our planet. The ocean, as the Earth's largest carbon sink, plays a crucial role in regulating our planet's climate. It absorbs a significant portion of the carbon dioxide emitted by human activities, acting as a buffer against the worst impacts of climate change. However, as human activities continue to release greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, the ocean is absorbing increasing amounts of carbon dioxide, leading to ocean acidification and warming waters. This not only affects the chemistry of the ocean, but also its temperature, creating a ripple effect on marine life. These changes have cascading effects on marine ecosystems, from altering food webs to disrupting migration patterns. Coral reefs, which are vital to marine biodiversity, are particularly vulnerable, experiencing widespread bleaching events. One phenomenon of particular interest is El Niño, a climate pattern characterized by unusually warm waters in the central and eastern Pacific Ocean. This periodic event can have far-reaching impacts on global weather patterns, influencing everything from rainfall to hurricane activity. Some scientists speculate that El Niño, which can reduce cold water upwelling and alter ocean currents, might play a role in driving deep-sea creatures towards the surface. This phenomenon could potentially disrupt the delicate balance of marine ecosystems. However, more research is needed to establish a definitive link between climate change, El Niño, and the surfacing of deep-sea creatures. Understanding these connections is crucial for predicting future changes and mitigating their impacts on marine life and human communities. The Tenerife anglerfish's story, though tragic, serves as a stark reminder of our limited understanding of the deep sea and the creatures that call it home. It also underscores the interconnectedness of all marine ecosystems, from the sunlit surface to the darkest depths. As we continue to explore the ocean depths, we must do so responsibly and with an awareness of our impact. Deep-sea ecosystems are fragile and slow to recover from disturbances. Pollution, overfishing, and climate change pose significant threats to these unique and often overlooked habitats. Protecting the deep sea is not just about preserving biodiversity, it's about safeguarding the health of our planet. The ocean plays a vital role in regulating global climate, absorbing carbon dioxide and providing oxygen. The mystery surrounding the Tenerife anglerfish and other deep-sea creatures found near the surface highlights the urgent need for more research and exploration. The deep sea, despite its remoteness, is not immune to human impact. Investing in oceanographic research, developing new technologies for deep-sea exploration, and fostering international collaboration are crucial steps towards unraveling the mysteries of the deep and ensuring the long-term health of our oceans. Citizen science also has a role to play. Reporting unusual sightings, participating in beach cleanups, and supporting organizations dedicated to ocean conservation are all ways to contribute to our understanding and protection of the deep sea. The deep sea, with its alien landscapes, bizarre creatures, and untold secrets, holds endless fascination for humankind. The Tenerife anglerfish's brief appearance in our world offered a tantalizing glimpse into this hidden realm, reminding us of the vastness and wonder of our planet. As we continue to explore the ocean depths, we must do so with a sense of curiosity, respect, and responsibility. The future of our oceans and indeed our planet may depend on it. The deep sea, for all its mystery, is a source of wonder, inspiration, and vital importance to life on Earth. Let us strive to understand and protect this extraordinary realm for generations to come.